In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge shapes in Google Slides. We'll start right from the Google homepage and finish with a clean combined shape that looks intentional and polished, perfect for titles, diagrams, or custom icons. Open your browser and head to Google. On the top right, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares. From there, choose Slides to open the Google Slides dashboard. Once you're in, select a blank presentation so we're working on a clean canvas with nothing in the way. With your slide ready, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the options, choose the shape you want to start with. You'll see a variety of choices like rectangles, circles, callouts, and arrows. Click the one that fits your idea, then move your cursor over the slide and click and drag to draw it. You can place the shape anywhere you want. If you're experimenting, the center of the slide is a good starting point. If you want a precise look, use the alignment guides that appear as you move things around. Next, customize the shape so it stands out. With the shape selected, click the Fill Color icon on the toolbar and pick the color you want. You can change this anytime, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Matching colors across shapes will help them feel like a single object. Now let's add the second shape you'll merge with the first. Go back to Insert and choose another shape. This can be the same type or a different one, whatever suits what you're building. Click and drag to draw it, then position it beside or slightly overlapping the first shape. This is where the merge look comes together. By placing edges flush with each other, or overlapping slightly, you create a unified, combined design. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement. Use the on-screen guides to align edges, and nudge with small movements until the join looks clean. If both shapes share the same fill color and border style, they'll visually read as one merged shape. You can repeat the insert step to add more shapes, layering them thoughtfully to build something more complex, like a badge layered icon or custom diagram element. Finally, review spacing, color, and sizing so the combined result looks cohesive. If something feels off, adjust the overlap or scale one shape slightly. That's it. Your shapes are merged into a single seamless design in Google Slides, ready to use in your presentation.